What's up, everybody out there in internet land? Joey Lau here, and I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you in this video first how to choose a domain, how to get hosting, and how to set it up, and also how to install WordPress on your domains for your hosting. And I've had the reason why I'm making this video real quick, guys, is I've had so many people that's asked me how to do it. You know, how do I do this? And it would just be physically impossible for me to teach every single person how to do it. So I figured I could do a video and teach everybody at the same damn time. So with that being said, guys, I'm about to show you how to do this, and I'm going to make it quick as possible. And then I'm going to have a separate video, probably on the same blog wherever you found me, that also explains how to use WordPress, how to set your actual website up, and give you some tips on how to optimize it for the search engines, and how how to optimize it so you can show up in the search engines. Because I've been working at home since about 2009, and this is all I do right here. It's a great skill to learn. I've been making money from home, from my websites, about 2 or 3 hours a day working on my websites. And once it starts showing up, you can show up for any product or any service or anything online. As you can show up for just about anything and make sales even when you're not around, just by a little bit of work in getting it up there. But with that being said, guys, all I ask is if you get a lot out of this video, definitely check out my website. I'm going to be using a website on here as an example, and it'll pop up on the screen too. Just go to this website, because it's going to show you, it's going to give you some good coupons to get started for one. And of course, I want you to join, not just go to Godaddy, but join through me, just for showing you this. And like I said, you'll get some coupons, and I'll have some other good stuff on there that you can get started with Godaddy for your domains and your hosting and everything like that. And it'll help you get started, get off to a good start. So, guys, I just want to start off. I choose GoDaddy. There's thousands of different other hosting and places that you can buy domains and things like that, and I just choose GoDaddy for a few reasons. One, it's a reliable service. Most of the time they never have any kind of problems. My website's always up and running. They load quick. Their hosting is very fast. Secondly, they've got great support. Anytime you have a problem, they even help you with technical stuff on your website. Like if you don't know how to do something, you can call in. They'll walk you through it. They'll give you directions. They've got awesome support. And third is it's easy to do. It's easy to set up, and you're about to see, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually set up and get a website going. It's pretty awesome, and I like it because I've tried a lot of different ones and I couldn't figure it out, or it was just like you had to jump through hoops to get anything set up and going. So I'm going to be using this domain, guys, as an example. Is joedaddy.co, and you'll see me type it in here. But the first things that you need is a domain, of course. So once you go to my website, joedaddy.co, and get your a GoDaddy account, you want to search for a domain. Okay, your online success starts right here, as you can see. So when finding a domain, I'm going to be really quick about this, guys. It used to matter, like if you were wanting to show up for a keyword in Google or Yahoo or whatever, you wanted to try to have the exact phrase in your domain name, because it used to help you. It doesn't help as much anymore. Sometimes you actually get penalized for having that in your domain, especially if it's too long of a website. For example, like let's say you wanted to show up for make money online fast, okay? And if you got a website like this, I don't think Google likes that anymore. I've just, from my experience, because I've got a website right now showing up for make money online keywords, and the name of it is freeandpowerful.co. So the domain name isn't as important as it used to be. It's really what you put into your website, and how well you write on it and optimize it, unique content and things like that. So choose your domain. I would try to base it around what you're trying to rank it for, or what your company is about. Just one more example, and then I'm going to go into showing you how to set up your hosting and everything. One more example is I'm an affiliate for a company that sells electronic cigarettes called Green Smoke, and I actually got the domain name greenesmoke.com. Now you got to be careful because some companies won't let you get their name in the don't like you to get their name in your domain as an affiliate. So you might could get something like that, something like that, something nice. You can put dashes if you want. I try to get it all together sometimes like that, and things like that. But if you need help choosing a domain and you're really stuck, just ask me in the comments below the blog, or if you're on YouTube below this video, and I'll do my best to try to help you out. So pick you a domain and then go up here, get web hosting. Okay, this is why I like GoDaddy. I've already got it pulled up here, but they've got plans starting at $2.99 a month, unlimited storage for your pictures, your videos, anything that you put on your website. Okay, this is like your own piece of internet real estate right here. Okay, is your hosting. You definitely need hosting if you're wanting to show up and get your word out on the internet, or your business, or whatever you're trying to do. I have the ultimate plan for $7.49 because it's unlimited everything. It's fast. It's only $8 a month. It's like so simple, and you can host you can host a lot of websites, WordPress websites, on this one hosting plan. So it's not like you have to do it with every domain. All you have to do is get a domain and set it up on your hosting. With that being said, I'm about to show you how to do that. So once you're in GoDaddy, I should still be logged in. Go to My Account up here, which you got your hosting. Okay, so first off, you set up an account on the website I gave you, godaddy.co, and you create your GoDaddy account. Then you get your domain, then you get your hosting, and of course I'm not logged in. So you do that, and when you're logged in, like I said, you click up here to go to My Account on the top left, and then you'll see your domains here and then your web hosting. So click this little plus, and it'll be set up on the first domain that you get, and you're just going to go over to the right, hit launch. It's going to open up a new window, and I've already went through this, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is going to be your hosting control panel, and the first thing that you do is on the right here, you go to hosted domains. Okay, you want to add your domain to your hosting. It's really simple. Okay, so you see add domain up here, you go up to the right, add domain, and I go to bulk, and you can see your domains in here, and all you do is you go put it right to there, and then what I do is you would put just a folder that you know what it is. Okay, I would put something like that. Okay, no spaces or anything like that, and then just click OK, and then it'll show up right here, guys, and it'll actually say over here where it says setup, and here's the domain I just did that I was telling you about. It'll say pending. So what you do is you just set here, and it'll say pending for, it can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to even 30 at the most, but all you do is keep hitting refresh right here, and eventually when it says set up on here instead of pending, then all you do is go back up here, and when it says set up, click on your hosting again, and you will see that it'll say, if it's your first domain, it'll say 1 domains right here under hosted domains. So you get that set up, and then all you have to do, this is how simple it is. Go right here to WordPress, click on it. It opens in a new window. you click install now. And I don't know if I can go all the way through with this, but I'm going to try. But you find your domain right here. You should have one. Let me see if I can do it on a different one. Bear with me here. But you select your domain. That's the one I'm setting it up on, which I've already got it set up, so I'm going to do this one just for an example. You hit next, and what you're going to do here is just put in WordPress for whatever. You know, you're going to put it just so you know what this database is for, whatever the name of your website is. Create your password, verify it. Make sure you read this. You got to use characters. It's got to be between 8 and 14 characters, and you got to use these special characters like that. Click next. Okay, it's not going to let me get that far. Click next. And then right here, guys, you want to make this empty. Always make this empty because you want it to go directly to your domain. So on this step right here, make sure that is empty. Like it says, leave this blank field for the root directory. Click next. Setup. It'll be asking you for a username right on the next step, a username and another password. This is what you're going to use to actually log into your WordPress website. So make sure you remember that, what you make it something that you can remember. So once you do that, it'll take a little bit, not too long. Like I said, it'll about take as long as the adding the domain. Once you get that up, I'm going to show you. You know, it's usually around 10 to 30 minutes, sometimes longer, maybe, but it's usually pretty fast. So what you want to do now is whatever your website is, you want to type it in, and then this goes for every website that you host on WordPress, on your hosting. You want to log into it, you go to you put in /wp-admin on every website to log into it. After, you know, whatever your domain is, /wp-admin. Then you're going to enter your details. Hopefully, yeah, see, mine's not set up just yet, but I'm going to use this as an example. Let's see, WP admin. I'm probably already logged into this one too, so yeah. But it'll come up with the screen. You type in your username, password, and then it brings you to your dashboard. Okay, this is how you get started with your WordPress blog, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video, show you guys how to do it. Look for another video on this if you're on YouTube. Look on my channel, or if you're on my blog, I'll have the video on there as well on a little bit more how to use WordPress, how to actually set up, which plugins to use, which ones I use, how to track your stats, how to make a post, how to make a different page, how to make it look good, like I said, guys, that's a pretty simple procedure right there for setting up and getting your websites up and going. If you don't feel like going through all of that, there is an easier way, and it's a cost about the same amount between domains and hosting and all that. It's $25 to get started. It's called Empower Network. The website is already set up for you. Everything's already set up for you. All you do is you create an account, and it's a blogging system. You get in there, and all you do is click here to start blogging. You log in, and then there you go. It's already set up for you. I'm going to show you an example of it real quick. Here's mine. And if you guys want to do this is, if you want to get this blogging system right here, just go to empowernetwork.com/JLyle. It'll pop up on the screen too, but you can see it right here, and it'll bring you to this mine. and then just click here or click here on the right to join. But basically, this is such a great blogging system because the Empower Network domain name is, they're in the top 500, I think, yeah, 500 websites in the world. So in the US, and that's good because they've got millions of backlinks already to their website. So anytime you post or make a site on this, make a page or a post, your stuff shows up pretty well in the search engines already. So I wanted to show you this, guys. It's really awesome. All you do is post. Each one of these posts can be about different things, different companies, different businesses, whatever, and they'll show up. They're very known to show up in the search engines for different words, and I'll have some training on that as well, especially if you join me through my link up here and join my team. I'll be able to help you a lot more. They've got an awesome SEO tool in here where all you do is put in your keyword, and it shows you what you need. You know, once you write your post, it shows you how to correct it to make it the most search engine optimized to show up in the search engine. It's a really easy tool. But I love this one right here because a lot of people don't want to go through getting a domain and getting hosting and setting it up and everything. So this is a great alternative. So definitely, guys, check this out, and look forward to my videos, my other videos on how to set up your WordPress blog. Now I'm just going to show you an example and I'm going to let you go. Here's an example. You can do just about anything with WordPress. Here's one of the cool sites I made with my WordPress website, and I want you to check this out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? All I did was put a picture in there and chose that slider and that header right there, and it does that. It's pretty awesome. And you can do anything. I mean, you see I put this text anywhere you want it, this picture, the banners, the videos, everything down here. They can subscribe to your blog, you can have AdSense, shows your recent posts, all your other websites right here. It's just awesome. This is actually a theme that I paid for. There's a bunch of free themes here. Let me pull it over here to show you right here. If you go into here, there's a bunch of free themes that you can install with different website designs, with the columns, different places. It's depending on what you want to make. So I'll actually be giving away this theme right here. I paid I think it was 35 or 40 bucks for this theme, and on one of my videos I'm going to show how to use this theme because it's a powerful theme. It ranks so good. It's built for search engine optimization. It helps you rank. It's a clean website. Google likes it, and it's a little bit more advanced, so I'm going to do a video on its own on how to use this theme. They got different sliders and everything like that, and I'll actually give it away to you guys for free, the ones that are definitely on my team or join me through my Godaddy.co link. Remember, guys, to do that. If you got something out of this video and you're wanting to get started with GoDaddy, go to Godaddy.co. It should pop up on the screen. I'll have some coupons and discounts and things that you can use. Just make sure you set up your account through that site, and you can use those coupons that I got on my website. It's going to save you some money on your hosting and your domains and everything that you need. So, guys, with that being said, thank you for taking your time out watching my videos. I wish you the best of luck in making your website, and I will see you guys at the very top.